Hi, my name is Jasmine, and today we're making margaritas. Passion fruit margaritas to be specific, because Cinco de Mayo is coming up and it coincides with Taco Tuesday this year. So even though we're going to be celebrating from home, I know we all still want to get lit. Let's get into it. To make your passion fruit margaritas, the first thing you'll want to do is rim your glass. So I have a wedge of lime. I'm just going to run it all around the rim of this little rocks glass. Then dip it in the seasoning. This is Valentina seasoning. You can use Tajin or whatever your fave is, or you could stick with salt. I fell in love with passion fruit margaritas in Tulum, and this is how I have them there. Next, we're going to add some ice. I already have some in my cocktail shaker, so just gonna add a few cubes from there and then set it aside. Now for the hard stuff, we are doing tequila, of course, and triple sec, but you could use control or whatever kind of orange liqueur you prefer. 1 ounce of each. But as Miss Tabitha Brown would say, if you want to add more, that's your business. Next, about 3/4 of a cup of passion fruit juice. Then you're going to close your cocktail shaker and shake it up. You can see it's gotten all frosty, which lets you know the contents are nice and cold. Now we're bringing our glass back. We're gonna pour this delicious little drink in, and you can garnish it with that same wedge of lime if you like. There you go.